everyone, Jen Kem here. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute, where we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. Are you ready to get into today's Reddit story? This week's story is all about knowing your value and setting professional boundaries with your clients. Am I the asshole for trying to start a successful business? I'm just wondering exactly what I did wrong. I operate a small business. I started the business about 6 years on the advice of an acquaintance. He has since become my main client. The problem is that in the time I've been doing work for him, I have always given him a significant discount on my services. Last summer was a pretty big summer for both of us, and I did a lot of work for him, still at a very large discount. There has always been an issue with getting paid what I'm worth and conflicts on the price. Yes, I'm aware that I should have just cut it off a long time ago, but for what I do, he is one of the only individuals around my area that provides me with the work I want to do. He uses that to his advantage and gives me the excuse that since he got me started and has given me all the business, that I need to take care of him. And that's how you run a business, he tells me. You take care of those who take care of you. What he fails to grasp is that I've taken care of him this whole time by basically doing all the jobs at about 1/3 of the price. He doesn't seem to think that means anything. I think at this point, if anyone owes anyone, I am the one being owed. He passed on another friend to me late last year, whom I've already been in contact with on my own, and told me that since he's given me more business, I now have to do the work for even less. That's how it works. So last week he texts me and tells me he's got a whole bunch of work for me. I just replied with my new price sheet and he texts back, I don't see his name discount. I told him that there isn't one anymore and that if I ever plan on running this business how I want and actually making money, I can no longer give out discounts. He replied that I have to work with him a little and that he's been consistently giving me work from the start and this isn't how you treat your best clients. I told him it is what it is and to let me know when he wants me to start working on the jobs. It's been over a week. I haven't heard back. I did see a Facebook post from him now, though, with photos of all the jobs and how his normal guy ditched him because he's an amateur, and now he's looking for a new person to do the work for him. I suppose I've always been a little meek and never really forward when I talk or setting my terms, but I don't think I've ever deserved this, especially when I know for a fact I'm the best at what I do and have always given him 100% results for 30% of the price. Am I the asshole? I mean, it's pretty clear that this so-called friend and client is the asshole in the conversation because he sounds like a bully, a narcissist, and frankly, trying to turn you into his cult of one. Because what cult leaders do is they make you believe that without them, you are lost, you will die, that your business will fail. And if it's true, and I believe you when you say that your work is excellent, finding other clients is not a problem, okay? Even if for some reason this guy slanders you or whatever, which I hope he doesn't, because that would make him even more of an asshole. But what you have to do, friend, is you have to treat yourself like you're not an asshole, because basically what you're saying to anyone else, you're holding the energy of, I am worth less than what I put out. And you've called yourself, you own that, you said that in the Reddit post, that's cool and everything. But I'm proud of you for getting your price list together, and he is a distraction. The minute that you cut the dead weight, you'll be surprised at how much more is available to you. Look, we've got 7 billion people living on this planet, I think, something like that. You only need 1,000 of those people to work with you to become a millionaire. Did you know that? So don't worry about the asshole. Focus on finding your next client, doing an excellent job, and focus on showing those results, period. All right. Okay. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Also, if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button and that little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I can't wait to share the next story with you. Until next time.